Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we dive into losing belly fat and achieving a healthier lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial not just for our physical appearance but also for our overall well-being. Shedding excess belly fat can reduce the risk of various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Many of us struggle with stubborn belly fat despite our best efforts. Numerous challenges can hinder our weight loss journey, from hectic schedules to unhealthy eating habits. However, overcoming these obstacles and achieving a slimmer waistline is possible with the right approach and determination. Imagine feeling more confident in your skin, having increased energy levels, and improving your overall quality of life. These are just a few of the benefits that come with losing belly fat. Not only will you look better, but you'll also feel better physically and mentally. So, if you're ready to take control of your health and transform your body, stay tuned for the rest of this video as we share valuable tips and insights on effectively losing belly fat. Understanding belly fat. It is essential to understand the different types of belly fat and their implications for our health. Subcutaneous fat lies beneath the skin and is often called pinchable fat. On the other hand, visceral fat is the deeper fat surrounding our organs within the abdominal cavity. While subcutaneous fat may be more visible, visceral fat poses a greater risk to our health. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Excess visceral fat has been linked to a higher risk of developing severe health conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. This type of fat is metabolically active and can release harmful substances into the bloodstream, leading to inflammation and insulin resistance. One standard method for accurately measuring belly fat is waist circumference. Using a tape measure, wrap it around your waist at the level of your belly button. A measurement of more than 35 inches for women and 40 inches for men is considered a risk factor for excess visceral fat. Tools like body fat calipers and bioelectrical impedance scales can provide more detailed insights into your body composition. By understanding the different types of belly fat and their impact on our health, we can take proactive steps to reduce excess fat and improve our overall well-being. Effective belly fat workouts. Are you ready to tackle that stubborn belly fat? In this segment, we'll showcase a range of effective workouts designed to target and tone your midsection. Exercises like crunches, planks, and Russian twists can help strengthen your core muscles and burn calories to reduce belly fat. Crunches are a classic abdominal exercise that targets the rectus abdominis, while planks engage multiple core muscles, including the transverse abdominis and obliques. Russian twists are great for working the oblique muscles and improving rotational strength. Consistency is vital to seeing results from your belly fat workouts. Aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3-4 times a week, gradually increasing the intensity and repetitions as you build strength. Remember to maintain proper form throughout each exercise to maximize effectiveness and prevent injury. For a well-rounded approach to belly fat loss, consider combining cardio and strength training in your workout routine. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, or HIIT workouts can help burn calories and reduce overall body fat, while strength training exercises using weights or resistance bands can build muscle and boost your metabolism. By incorporating a variety of belly fat workouts and staying committed to your fitness regimen, you'll be on your way to achieving a more robust, leaner midsection. Nutrition for burning belly fat. Your diet plays a crucial role in shedding belly fat and achieving sustainable weight loss. A balanced diet rich in whole foods is critical to supporting your fitness goals and overall well-being. Focusing on nutrient-dense foods can fuel your body with the essential vitamins and minerals to function optimally. Certain foods have been shown to boost metabolism and aid in fat burning, making them valuable additions to your diet. Incorporating lean proteins, fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help keep you full and satisfied while promoting fat loss. Addressing common diet myths that may hinder your progress toward losing belly fat is essential. From crash diets to cutting out entire food groups, these approaches are often unsustainable and can have adverse effects on your metabolism and overall health. Instead, use evidence-based advice emphasizing moderation, portion control, and various nutrient-rich foods. By adopting a balanced and sustainable approach to nutrition, you can support your body's natural fat-burning processes and work towards achieving your weight loss goals. Consistency and mindful eating habits are critical to long-term success in managing belly fat and improving overall health. Home workouts for belly fat. No gym? No problem. In this segment, we're bringing you easy-to-follow home workout routines targeting belly fat. These exercises require minimal equipment and space, making them perfect for anyone looking to slim down their midsection from their home. Let's start with a classic yet effective exercise, the bicycle crunch. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and mimic a cycling motion while bringing your opposite elbow to your knee. This move engages multiple core muscles and helps tone your abs. Next, try mountain climbers to elevate your heart rate and engage your core muscles. Get into a plank position and alternate, bringing your knees towards your chest. For those looking to add some intensity, incorporate high knees or jumping jacks to get your heart pumping and burn extra calories. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks as needed. Consistency is key, so aim to create a workout schedule that works for you and stick to it. By staying committed and pushing yourself to challenge your limits, you'll be well on your way to achieving your belly fat loss goals right from the comfort of your home. Strategies for fat loss. For effective fat loss, strategies beyond exercise and diet can significantly impact your journey to a healthier, leaner body. Let's delve into these critical components that can enhance your fat loss efforts and overall well-being. First and foremost, prioritize getting adequate quality sleep each night. Lack of sleep can disrupt your metabolism, increase cravings for unhealthy foods, and hinder your body's ability to burn fat efficiently. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep to support your weight loss goals. Hydration is another crucial factor in fat loss. Drinking enough water not only helps with digestion and nutrient absorption but also aids in flushing out toxins and promoting a feeling of fullness, which can prevent overeating. Managing stress is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. High stress levels can lead to emotional eating and hormonal imbalances that contribute to weight gain. Incorporating stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help support your fat loss journey. For accelerated fat burning, consider incorporating high-intensity interval training (HIIT) workouts into your routine. Compared to traditional steady-state cardio, HIIT workouts are known for boosting metabolism, burning calories, and promoting fat loss in a shorter amount of time. Lastly, mindset and motivation play a significant role in achieving your fat loss goals. Stay focused on your reasons for wanting to lose fat, set realistic and achievable goals, and celebrate your progress along the way. Adopting a holistic approach that includes sleep, hydration, stress management, HIIT workouts, and a positive mindset will enable you to achieve sustainable fat loss and improve your overall health and well-being. Tips for losing weight fast. Are you looking to accelerate your weight loss journey healthily and sustainably? Here are some practical tips and techniques to help you shed those extra pounds efficiently while prioritizing your overall well-being. One of the most effective ways to lose weight fast is by creating a calorie deficit through diet and exercise. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense, whole foods while being mindful of portion sizes to ensure you consume fewer calories than you're burning. Regular physical activity, such as cardio and strength training, can further boost your calorie burn and help you reach your weight loss goals faster. Tracking your progress is essential for staying on track and adjusting as needed. Set realistic and achievable goals, whether losing a certain amount of weight per week or fitting into a specific clothing size. Celebrate your successes along the way to stay motivated and inspired. While it may be tempting to resort to crash diets or extreme measures for quick weight loss, these approaches are often unsustainable. They can negatively affect your metabolism and overall health. Instead, focus on making gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that you can maintain in the long run. By following these tips and techniques, you can accelerate your weight loss journey in a healthy and balanced manner, setting yourself up for long-term success and improved well-being. Remember, consistency and patience are essential when achieving your weight loss goals. Dealing with love handles. Love handles, the stubborn pockets of fat that accumulate around the waistline, can be a common source of frustration for many individuals. Fortunately, you can incorporate specific exercises and strategies into your routine to target and tone the obliques, helping reduce love handles and achieve a slimmer waistline. To tackle love handles effectively, include exercises that engage the oblique muscles, such as side planks, bicycle crunches, and oblique twists. Side planks are excellent for strengthening the core, while bicycle crunches target the obliques and rectus abdominis. Oblique twists involve rotating the torso to work the side muscles and enhance definition in the waist area. In addition to targeted exercises, focusing on overall body strength and core stability is essential. Building a solid core helps reduce love handles and improves posture, balance, and functional movement patterns. Incorporate full body strength training exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups to enhance muscle tone and boost metabolism. To maintain a healthy waistline long-term, prioritize a balanced diet rich in whole foods, stay hydrated, and engage in regular physical activity. Consistency is key, so aim to incorporate various exercises that target different muscle groups and keep your workouts challenging. You can effectively address love handles and achieve a toned, sculpted midsection by combining targeted oblique exercises with strength training and healthy lifestyle habits. Losing belly fat is not just about aesthetics, it's about improving your overall health and well-being. Shedding excess fat around your midsection can reduce the risk of various health issues and boost your confidence and vitality. From incorporating targeted exercises to focusing on nutrition, sleep, and stress management, there are numerous ways to support your fat loss goals. Now is the time to take charge of your health and implement these tips and workouts into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on fitness, nutrition, and overall well-being. Let's embark on this journey towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, you can transform your body and live your best life.